central bank in the US and Europe have taken an unchanged stance in their meetings. What does that tell you about growth and currency impact on both economies?
Well, good morning, Cathy. Look, I think a couple of things. First off, we've got historically low interest rates. That's been over the last, 3 to 5 years now. We've been priming the pump. We look at, we want strong export numbers, but as far as Europe's concerned, it's a very, very weak domestic economy over there. As far as their export market, you've got large unemployment numbers, and with historic lows of 300 to 500 years as far as Germany, France, and of course the UK. It's very, very weak as far as what's on the horizon. America, certainly job shedding was a favourable pastime to try and get economic growth in a lot of these companies, and we're feeling those sort of pains also in Australia. So at the moment, I think you're going to see a continuation as far as QE for the foreseeable future.
What is your take on Chinese companies' earnings so far?
Well, a deceleration across all of the BRICS, and we've had some great numbers, going back over the last 15 to 20 years, and now it just seems to be a little bit more of a slowdown right across from Brazil, Russia, India, and China. And those Chinese numbers, they've certainly got $3.5 billion as far as accumulated cash, and I think you're going to see a little bit more of a weakening across that domestic economy in China. So they need strong growth externally to export, and Europe's just not a player at the moment. They need employment over there, so it's very, very tough.
Will this round in the earnings season be as bad as it gets, or can it get worse in the coming quarters?
I would say you're near the bottom, though it's very hard to forecast out 12 to 18 months. You need demand, you need a solid demand picture, and that's why you're seeing a concerted effort across all of the G20 to stimulate economies, QE, lowering of rates, and to try and get a stronger demand picture. But at the moment, it seems to be fairly weak. Unemployment numbers are harrowing in Europe, and we need stronger numbers there to create demand.